What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. It has been exactly 1 day after earnings, and it has been a crazy volatility day for the SoFi stock. We had the earnings report come out. SoFi did everything that you could expect with a triple beat, raised guidance, and the stock, jumped up about 22 to 23%. 1 day after, we got 11 separate analysts adjusting price targets today. And overall, it was about 70%, decent. Okay. But we did end up getting three nasty, nasty sell ratings, guys, coming on SoFi stock. And these were $3, $4, and $6.50. And I believe those three sell ratings, of course, are getting pushed out a little bit harder than the buy ratings. And that's why you saw a big dump on the SoFi stock today. A lot of manipulation. Volume was absolutely insanely high. And just a lot of people are getting shaken out on this stock. And I'm telling you right now, I think some of the reasons why you want this stock down as a legacy bank is because the larger the market cap grows, the more opportunities the SoFi stock, SoFi management has. It makes a lot of things easier. You're hiring, your stock-based compensation. You can dilute, take some of that cash off the table on your market cap if you need it. Just an overall market cap higher, your stock price higher can help you as a company. Okay, that's exactly what happened to Elon Musk back in the day. He said his company Tesla, back in the day, I think it was like 2010 to 2018, those rough times. He said Tesla was the most shorted stock in stock market history, and it was really affecting the company's ability to hire people. And I'm telling you right now, I think the SoFi stock is being manipulated down, potentially for a buyout. Okay, they might be trying to hurt the stock, but you can't hurt the company's fundamentals. It's not going to hurt the fundamentals. It's just I think somebody's trying to buy out SoFi, and they're trying to hold it down as long as possible until management, loses all their bonuses. You have to realize management gets bonuses if the stock price goes up. Okay. Everybody needs to realize that. They get bonuses at $25, $35, and $45. That was, the agreement when the SPAC went public. Okay. I'm talking hundreds upon hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay. For Anthony Noto, potentially billions. I think it could be at like a 45, could be a billion or 2 billion. I don't know. I have no idea. But you just need to realize that. Okay. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. I've been keeping you updated daily. I went crazy hard on the SoFi stock for a month and told you guys they were going to blow it out of the water, give you profitability. And that's exactly what happened. I stuck to my guns. I did my analysis, and I knew how SoFi likes to put out their guidance. And we had a monster $50 million profitable quarter. Also, I'm doing live streams now. I'm starting to get the hang of it, guys. So be on the lookout for those. Subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to get a live stream right on the go. And also, don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be coming back to as many people as I can. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithms. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, we covered this on the live stream. Just give me 30 seconds and I'll run through it real quick for anybody, who didn't get to watch that live stream. So check this out. SoFi has 21 analysts. 11 analysts have updated their price target today. These are the 11 updates right here, okay? And you can see, like I said, 70% were decent. We got medium holds right here and a couple of buys and some decent price targets, 12, 14, 15. These are the bears, guys. We have three nasty bears out there. They're not only putting low price targets, they are putting sell, get out, run. $3, $4, $6.50. These always push harder into the media than buys and upgrades and stuff like that. I don't know what it is. It's just easier for retail to hit the sell button than hit the buy button. Okay, they can buy quickly, but they can sell 10 times faster. You can see exactly what those sell ratings did to the SoFi stock. I'm telling you right now, SoFi was one of the most down stocks inside of the market today. It wasn't even that nasty of a day. We were down like literally 8 to 9%. I couldn't believe it, guys. I understand taking gains off the table and stuff like that, but this was a lot of shorting, having to go around with those downgrades. I'm telling you, there's money to be made on these downgrades, and you just don't see them coming. These are pre-programmed, pre-market, ready to go. 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m. Shorts are already loaded. This is just the manipulation you got to deal with. Like I said, if you're wondering why is the stock getting downgraded, guys, you are trying to take out the biggest, business in the world, the banks. This is the toughest market to steal market share from, and SoFi is stealing that market share. We are stealing 6 to 700,000 people per quarter. I said in my live stream, if they get to 1.5 million members per quarter in the next 3 years or so, 4 years, SoFi won. I mean, that's ridiculous market share they're stealing. That's like what Nubank is doing in their area, taking over their market, guys. I mean, 6 million in America customers per year. That is absolutely insane. And also, guys, I think on top of trying to take out that market, which is almost impossible with our competitors downgrading and making our stock a hold, you got to realize someone might be looking for a buyout on the stock. They might have management give up. All right, guys, and we got a little bit of good news. We got our Cathie Woods coming in to buy the dip on the SoFi stock. She has made a couple of purchases, I believe, like 2 months ago or so, and then she kind of moved on to her other stocks. She's been buying the Tesla dip. But hopefully we could see Cathie Woods come in here and buy up the dip for a couple of days, potentially, because she does buy 2 3 days in a row. I've seen like on a Tesla, a couple of other stocks as well, but I don't know exactly what her holding is, but it's definitely getting up there. My guess is probably in like the $10 to $20 million range, something like that. You can drop a comment if you want. I'm not going to look it up because it's hard to get to their exact stock prices. It takes a little bit of time. But remember, guys, Cathie Woods has also partnered up with SoFi. Okay, her individual ETFs are going to be coming online for the SoFi invest platform pretty soon, guys. You can get a nibble at SpaceX, Databricks, a couple of other companies are in this crazy private market growth ETF, and I think that's going to bring more people onto the SoFi platform that really like a private investment, Elon Musk. So like I said, SoFi is putting out as many products as humanly possible as fast as they can, and then they're just going to gradually grow products over time. Now, guys, it's easy to look at the sell rating, coming from a zero-star analyst, but take a look at this. Once again, guys, I've been covering this stock for a lot of you guys prior to earnings because I just knew it was going to be a nasty earnings beat and a guidance raise, exactly what we got. But of course, I'm more determined than ever to create diamond hand retail investors with high intelligence. I can see the fundamentals and understand that SoFi wants to make billions in profits very soon. Hey, I understand a lot of people want to day trade. That's completely fine. I've day traded for years as well, made a lot of money, lost a lot of money. I'm probably sitting at break even, so I'm not a master day trader, but of course, everyone gets lucky eventually. But I think in the long term, 85-90% of retail day traders will lose. I think we all can agree with that. But of course, long term investing is still here. A lot of people were buying the Tesla dip 2019 and made a 10-15x, and also, buying the Nvidia dip 15x. So a lot of people have gotten extremely lucky inside of the markets, long term holding and pretty much buying up dips when they see a discount. But take a look at this, guys. You got three of those analysts covering the SoFi stock. All three of these guys updated their price targets. Say these are their updated price targets. And we got a 15, a 14, and a 12. What else can you ask for coming from five-star analysts across the board? All three of these guys, top 300. That's what I'm looking for. I don't want to look at the zero star who gets all the media attention because of his $3 price target. Guys, he literally is getting the biggest headline because he is the biggest SoFi bear and he wants to get that crown. He wants to be the lowest price target possible. And if he hits, he's going to be super famous and he's going to get more people signing up with Wedbush. So think about it like that. And guys, SoFi was getting absolutely annihilated in the after hours. That's what was really getting me concerned. It was down about 3.5%. You can see right now it's only down 1%, probably because of this news. The ARK Invest, Cathie Woods buys going on, but we were down 3.5%. And I believe that's because Lending Club put out a pretty, soft earnings. I don't know if they beat or miss, but you could just see exactly what a Lending Club's doing, guys. It's one of our smaller competitors that was rocking 2 years ago. I mean, they were killing it, guys. They were printing money, but they just haven't been able to navigate these higher interest rates like a SoFi. And you can see this is what happened. Q1 originations, they put them out at 1.5 to 1.7 billion as their estimate, their guidance. And they did that in Q4, 1.6 billion. And their money that they're making, guys, they've been on the breadcrumbs on profits. I think they hit 5 million last quarter and then 10 million this quarter. So it's been a profitable company for 2 years, but they are like barely hanging on to turn a profit. And you see SoFi just, all right, y'all want to see a profit? We'll go from y'all want zero, you want 0 cent EPS or 0 cents, $0. You want zero, you want to break even? All right, boom, guys, $48 million profit. Do you understand these sell ratings are ridiculous? If SoFi decides to pull a 50 million profit in their first quarter, what do you think they're going to do by Q4, guys? I mean, don't be surprised when rates come down and they blow it out with $100 million profit in Q4. Don't be surprised if that happens. Remember, their full year guidance was 100 million. Okay, don't be surprised. Okay, I think 100%, 100%, you're gonna see SoFi pull a profitable Q1. Okay, it is a guarantee they're going back to back because the management told you, and you gotta trust management. Don't trust these slick, nasty downgrade sell ratings from these analysts. SoFi is going for the S&P 500. Okay, they're going for 4. We're already 33% done with Q1. That's going to put us to halfway there. 2 profitable quarters will be halfway into the S&P 500, okay? Understand, my personal opinion, they're going to be at about 30 to 40 million. They guide it for 20. I know they like to raise guidance or go above guidance a little bit. Be expecting that 30 to 40 million profit. If you follow this channel and subscribe to this channel, you'll be getting more of that information closer to the next earnings. And guys, right now, SoFi is in a tough pickle because of earnings. We had a lot of people trading the stock and trying to FOMO in that don't follow the company, don't know the risk, stuff like that. And you can see options for this week, which expire Friday, are absolutely insane. We're at 348,000 open interest on the calls. Looks like the money makers use those sell ratings to just take these bad boys out. I'm guessing the $8, $9, $10 calls were probably down 40 to 75% on this type of pullback immediately. So you can see we cool off the next week, and then we get a little bit higher the week after that. But usually you see the stock move when these calls get wiped out, but we could also go up, guys. Don't be surprised if we bounce back because puts are out of this world too. 3 weeks away. Look at that, guys. Puts are more greedy than the calls. So there's a lot of bears out there. Of course, I know you could be selling these, selling puts, selling calls, but I'm just saying overall, the average investor is buying, selling, buying puts or buying calls. You can see this could bring a little bit of upside in the next 2 weeks once we knock these out. And take a look at this, guys. Today, of course, down a little bit. Overall market, let's just double check. These are the futures actually. So futures are down for the NASDAQ because you're seeing AMD and Google getting rocked. But look at this, guys. Volume today. Holy crap. 115 million, doubled the volume. Guys, half of that volume probably wasn't even organic, normal volume, guys. It was probably just, naked shorting and stuff like that. Just aggressive on the headlines, getting that selling fear going on with the retail investors. As you can see, average volume is 50 million. Market cap still at about $8 billion. You could price that at about, let's see where we're going to be at. Maybe under 3 times sales. It's pretty good when you're talking about a company growing 35% and potentially 25% plus the next 3 years. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate. I enjoy doing these videos for you. If you want to stay updated on all the SoFi breaking news, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to smash the like button. Once again, my name's Kyle. Hope you have a great day.